Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. So in my last tutorial, I have created a project, the Django basic project, and run it on the server. So today, what we are going to do is, yeah, yeah. So here, this is our project. So today I'll be telling you about admin, as you have seen here. Yeah, in our project there was one file which named as uh, yeah, admin.py. Basically, if you will see any web application, they are having an admin, okay, who are having all those extra powers, you can say, okay. So here in Django also, if I'll show you, this was our page. After that admin, then it will redirect to this is again. Yeah, so here you can see admin page got opened. Okay, how? When you have run your project by using Python manage.py run server and use this, yeah, your Django application is running, and after that you have used this admin, and here your admin page got opened. Okay, so you would be thinking how it got opened. So let me show you. Under the urls.py in our project, you can see here it was written as whenever we will type admin, so it will redirect to admin site.urls. Okay, this one is built in. So here we don't have to give the local host name. It will by default, it will recognize automatically. Localhost means like this. We don't have to give it. It will by default take it. Now, how we have to log in here? So we are going to create a super user. Okay. Uh, there is a command for that. Yeah, Python manage dot py create super user. Okay. So mm, yeah, it is going to ask username. Let's give a username as admin. Okay, you can give any username. Email address, if you want to give it, otherwise enter. Then password, let's say I'm entering 1 2 3 4 ADMIN 1 2 3 4 5. Then again DMIN 1 2 3 4 5. Super user created successfully. Okay, now we will run the server again. Python, this Django, it is using SQLite database, but later on we will be using Postgres SQL also. For some time we will be using DB SQLite only, because internally it is using that only. Okay, so as our server got started, let's check whether admin, and then our password was admin 1 2 3 4 5. Login. So you can see that our admin page got open, and it is having groups and users. Under the users you can see the user which we have just now created, admin. Okay, and under the staff status you can see there is a click. So I'll tell you, there are three things inside this admin page. One is the super user and the staff user. Okay, let me click on it. Yeah, whenever you will use super user command, it will by default give all the access to you. You can see staff status is checked. So super user would be having all the access. Okay, staff user can see the data, and whether he can use the logs inside the admin site to monitor, okay, these are all the things. Okay, but he's not having all the access. Just like you work in a company, you're not having access to all the rooms. Okay, there are some restricted rooms where you are not allowed to go. Okay, so the super user is having access to all the things, okay, all the permissions without explicitly assigning them. Staff user, they are like, uh, in a room there are few people, they are working in a company, so they are their card is given access to this to that room. So they are the staff users. Okay, they can go inside, see the data, but with the limited access. And then the user permission. User permission is the users who are using the site. So we would be whether the super user would be giving permissions to the users. Okay, so you can see these are all the permissions that are here. So he would be giving permission by dragging it over, choose user permission. Okay, you can see login time when and the date join, the time at which we have created it and all, everything would be here. Password that we have entered there would be in hash format. Okay, so this is how our admin page would look like, and this is all for today. And even we can create many users also, like admin has a power to create user, right? Like if we create a user called Vishali, okay, and give it a password 1 2 3 4 5, Vishali 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and then save. Okay, okay, these are all the things. If we want to make it as a staff status, so we can click it over it. If we want to make him also or him or her also an admin, then we can click it over here. Okay, so in this way admin can create users also and then save it. So you can see that right now there are 2 users, and under that the staff status is checked. Okay, so this is how we create users, and this is how we log into the admin page. Okay, so in my next video we will be creating an app, and then we would be creating models and then accessing it over here. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.